Hi, in this video I will review how to construct a grouped frequency distribution. So we're typically given a set of data and we have to organize this data into a specific amount of classes. So in this example, we want to organize our data to have 5 classes. So step 1 in the process is we have to compute what's called the range. The range is the highest value. So we look through our data. Remember, the data represents the ages of family members. The eldest family member is 100 minus the lowest value, 9. 100 minus 9 is 91. Next, we have to compute the class width. We always round the final answer upwards to the next whole number. So the range is 91, and we desire 5 classes. So we will divide 91 by 5. 91 divided by 5 is a decimal answer, 18.2, which rounds to 19. The frequency distribution will have 4 columns: class limits, class boundaries, tally, frequency. Now, to find the class limits, we always begin with the lowest value, which is 9, and then we continuously add the class width. In this case, it's 19. So if we add 19 to 9, we get 28. Add 19 to 28, we get 47. 19 to 47, we get 66. And 19 with 66 to get 85. These are the lower class limits. Now we need to find the upper class limits. Well, the first upper class limit is found by taking the second lower class limit, 28, and subtracting 1 from it to get 27. So the first class are all the values between 9 and 27. Now, to generate the other upper limits, we just continuously add 19 like we did in this example here. So 19 plus 27 is 46. 19 plus 46 is 65. 19 plus 65 is 84. And 19 plus 84 is 103. And so we now have 5 different groups or classes. Next step, we have to find what are called the class boundary limits. Now that's going to close the gaps between the classes. So to find the class boundary limits, we subtract 0.5 from the lower limits and we add 0.5 to the upper limits. So if we subtract 0.5 from 9, that's going to be 8.5. If we add 0.5 to 27, that's 27.5. And then we just repeat that process for the other classes. Next, we tally the data. So we have to see or determine what class does each data value fall into. So for example, 23, that's going to fall in the first class because 23 falls between 9 and 27. So you place a tally mark. And then the next data value is 45. Well, 45 falls in the second class because 45 is between 28 and 46. So you put a tally mark and then repeat that process until you tally all the data. And then finally, to find the frequencies, just add up the tally marks. The first tally is 7, second tally is 5, third is 4, fourth is 4, and finally the last is 4. So the frequencies are 7, 5, 4, 4, and 4. And so that is how we construct a grouped frequency distribution. Thanks for watching the video.